Welcome to Convertible Lease, a Link loan product. Convertible Lease aims to provide customers like you with an innovative solution to assist on the path to home ownership. In this video, we will cover some important aspects of your lease and how to prepare for home ownership. Let's get started learning a little more about payments and accounting for your new convertible lease. Payments for convertible lease are serviced by Trio's partnered payment servicers. In order to connect you to the correct servicer and resources, you'll have to enter your first and last name as listed on your lease, as well as your loan number on the payment section of our website, www.mylinkloan.com/customers/payments. Once you've entered your information, you'll see a My Loan Login button. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page of your servicer, where you can make your payment electronically. Payments must be made electronically, but don't worry, it's easy to set up automatic payments through ACH. Just contact your servicer to get started. If you're having trouble connecting or you've misplaced your loan number, just send us an email at linkservicing@thinktrio.com or contact your loan officer for assistance. If you have any questions about your payments, please reach out to your servicer using the email address or phone number provided on the payment page on our website. To update any payment info or to discuss partial payment arrangements or prepayments, please call the servicer using the number listed on the payment page on our website. Now let's talk about the terms of your payment. Monthly payments are due on or before the first of each month. If a payment is not made within 5 days of the due date, a late charge of $195 will be applied to your account. Furthermore, if the payment is still not made within 10 days of the due date, Trio can issue a notice of default and charge additional fees, including interest. If you do not fix the problem, Trio has the right to terminate the contract and take back the property. Another important aspect to be aware of is non-sufficient funds. If a payment is returned for insufficient funds, incorrect banking information, or any other reason, a fee of $125 will be charged to your account. If there are 3 or more returned payments, all future payments must be made using certified funds or through an alternative payment method as prescribed by the respective servicer. Failure to make the monthly payment due to returned payments will also result in default. Let's check in and do a quick knowledge check. When is your lease due each month? Your lease is due the first of each month. Remember, a charge of $195 will be charged on your account if not paid within 5 days of the due date. Now let's discuss utility payment responsibilities. You are responsible to pay for all utilities, cable, and internet services, including any assessments, deposits, fees, and transfer charges imposed by local service providers. Along with utility payments, you will also be responsible for homeowners association dues, if applicable to your new home. It's important to register with your neighborhood homeowners association as soon as you move in. This will ensure that any related payments are made on time. Your real estate agent should provide you with the contact details of your specific association. However, if you need any assistance, please reach out to your loan servicer. They will be happy to help you navigate this process. Included in your lease is home payment protection. This protection can help you if you have tough times and can't make your payments. It covers up to 50% of your payments for up to 6 months if you face certain problems, like losing your job, natural disaster, or other hardships. The costs for this protection are added to your closing costs in your monthly payments. For more details of how this protection works, please refer to your HPP contract. In this next and final section, we will provide you with important information regarding how to convert your lease when you're ready, and information on moving out if you choose to. So let's get started. To qualify for the Link Home Loan, you must make a minimum of 18 consecutive monthly payments on time, complete the required homeownership counseling, and not be in default of any provisions on your lease. When you convert to a Link Home Loan, you open up the financing opportunity to purchase the property by assuming the FHA mortgage. No additional down payment will be required to enter into the Link Home Loan. However, there is an administration fee of $1,595 plus closing and recording costs. Now let's talk about the process if you choose to move out. If you are wanting to move out after 36 months, you must provide a 60-day notice. Lease payments will continue during the 60 days, and there will be a $795 move-out fee and refundable security deposit of $1,000 posted to your account. The property must be returned in clean condition. If you are wanting to move out prior to 36 months, you are subject to additional move-out and lease break fees as explained in your lease. Thanks for taking the time to learn about your convertible lease payments and post-lease options. At Trio, we strive to provide you with the flexibility and options to be successful in your home ownership journey. So, whether you're struggling obtaining a traditional home loan or looking to pace yourself into home ownership, trust Trio to help you navigate the process.